Welcome back to Crafty Culture, and if you are new to this channel and you're stopping over for the first time, just click the subscription button there to stick around and just feel welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make a homemade organic lip balm, but for me, I'm going to use the chapstick. So we are going to make 50 pieces of chapstick, and these are the things we need to make our organic homemade lip balm. We have organic wax. These are beeswax. We have an essential oil of blood orange. We have Vitamin E Capsules Gel. We have organic sweet almond oil. And finally, I have extra virgin coconut oil. These are the things we're gonna need to make our organic lip balm. Remember, here we don't have any chemicals, and the lip balm we're going to make is 100% organic, which I cannot tell about the cosmetic we buy from the stores. I don't know how natural they are, but we are pretty sure that we are going to make a natural organic chapstick lip balm. Let's do it. First, we are going to grind our beeswax. We heat it up so that we can get 3 tablespoons of beeswax. We're going to put it in our bowl, heat it up with a double boiler. Then we are going to measure 3 tablespoons of beeswax, as we cannot measure when they are in chunks. We need it in liquid form. So we are going to put water, and I light up my stove. So when the water starts heating up, we are going to put beeswax so that it can melt. Remember, I told you beeswax are flammable, so if you put them into direct heat, it may catch fire or it may cause some big trouble in the house. So you do a double boiling process. So you want to melt this beeswax so that you can be able to measure 3 tablespoons of beeswax and continue with the other mixture. So now our beeswax are ready. Remember, it's hot, so I need something to hold it, and you're going to measure 3 tablespoons. Now we have our third teaspoon. We're going to add extra, remember it's an organic extra virgin coconut oil. We're going to add 6 tablespoons. Then we are going to add 3 tablespoons of almond oil. This is 3 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. Then we are going to take it back to the double boiler so that it can melt up the coconut oil and our beeswax, which have already solidified. As this is heating up, we are going to be adding Vitamin E Capsules Gel on the side with essential oil. Remember, you don't want to heat the vitamin E. This is a very nourishing vitamin E on our skin, and this is an essential oil for the fragrance, so we don't need to really heat them up. It's in liquid form. Then we are going to put them together, mix and start dispensing. we are going to put our coconut oil and beeswax plus the sweet almond oil so that it can liquidify. As the beeswax and coconut oils and almond oils are boiling, we are going to be adding the vitamin E gel. So I'm going to just make a small hole and squeeze the oil out of the capsule. So we need 6 of them. We are going to add some essential oil to this. So this is our essential oil. So we are going to add 16 drops of essential oil. This is just to make the lip balm have a good fragrance. Wax and coconut becoming liquid. So what you want to do next is put our essential oil in our dispenser bottle. Then we are going to pour the wax, coconut oil, almond oil mixture in our bottle, and we can start doing the packaging. So I'm going to use a funnel. This is 8 drops of essential oil and the vitamin E capsules mix. So I'm gonna start with that. So I'm gonna turn off my stove, and very quickly I should pour this here so that it cannot start solidifying. So beeswax, they solidify faster, so we have to do this very fast before it gets to be solid. Finally, we have our chopsticks, and this is halfway, so we are going to put the lid on them one by one. So here and the chapstick lip balm is still hot, so you're going to let it cool down and sit for 30 minutes. Then we are going to come back and see if we can be able to roll up our chapstick and how the consistency is of our lip balm. Welcome back. Now we are going to look at our chapsticks after 30 minutes. I'm gonna pick randomly any chapstick. This is how it looks, and we are going to try and roll our chapstick upwards. This is how our lip balm looks like, and we can roll it back. It's so solid, and I'm gonna try it out and see. Yeah, it has a good scent and the consistency is good, and I think it's a perfect product for you to make at home. It's so organic, it's so natural, and if you're looking at the business venture side of it, it's a good business to run with it. So thank you for watching, and as I said, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscription button for more videos like this, and you can also click the bell next to the subscription button so that you can be getting instant updates on our new videos. We do 2 new videos every week. Thank you.